these are the new Creative Mark tube twister keys. They're a universal tube twister. You can use them with any of your paint tubes or any other tubes that you might have in your house, like toothpaste or hair creams. But today we are going to be trying them with the Turner acrylic gouache, and I've put the tube twister on this Turner acrylic gouache that I've squeezed out as much as I can with my hand, and I'm just going to see how much more I can get out of it using the tube twister. And that, my friends, is plenty of paint that would have been just discarded. So I'm definitely glad that I got that last bit out, because I can now use that on a painting. Each key has this wonderful design. It's a zigzag pattern so that it'll grip like teeth to the bottom of your tube, and it can hold any size tube up to 250 milliliters. I have it on one of my larger oil tubes right here, and I actually just leave it on there while I'm painting, because that way, as I'm using it, I can just keep squeezing it as I go. So with the grip that I was talking about, the great thing about it is when you put it on, it's going to stay on no matter what. So if you have a metal tube like I was showing before, as you're squeezing it, it'll just stay on there. But I also have a plastic tube, which it's not going to stay rolled up the same that a metal tube would, but it'll still stay on there if you want to leave it there. Or you just take it off and use it as you need it with any of your other tubes. We have some Soho acrylics, and it seems like there's some still left in here. So I'm going to squeeze that out myself. And all right, so we got that. And let's see if this tube twister can get anything else. That is a surprising amount of paint that I was not able to get out myself. For acrylic, that's a great amount of paint. That's, a nice amount to work with. But imagine if you're using watercolor. I mean, that's another year's supply of one color, easily. The universal tube twister keys are a great way to save money, not only on your paint, but on any other tubes you keep around in the house.